How does Creditable coverage prevent Medicare Part B and D penalties? Imagine turning 65 and getting ready to sign up for Medicare, but you're unsure if your current insurance counts. Well, that's where Creditable coverage comes into play. It's a way to keep your health and prescription drug coverage in sync with Medicare rules. If your current insurance is at least as good as Medicare Part B or Part D, it's called Creditable coverage. This means you can delay enrolling in Medicare without worrying about penalties later on. For Medicare Part D, which covers prescription drugs, Creditable coverage usually comes from your employer or union plan. If your plan pays on average as much as the standard Medicare Part D plan, it's considered creditable. So, if you keep this coverage, you can wait to enroll in Medicare Part D without facing extra charges. But if your employer or union stops offering Creditable coverage, you need to sign up for Medicare Part D within 8 months to avoid late enrollment penalties. The same idea applies to Medicare Part B, which covers medical services. If you have health insurance through an employer or union that qualifies as creditable, you can delay enrolling in Part B when you turn 65. Once that coverage ends, you get a special enrollment period to sign up for Medicare Part B without penalties. This period lasts for 8 months after your employer coverage stops, giving you time to enroll without extra costs. Employers and plan sponsors are required to send annual notices about whether their prescription drug plans are creditable. Keep these notices safe because they serve as proof that you had creditable coverage if you decide to enroll in Medicare later. Knowing about creditable coverage during your initial enrollment period helps you make smart choices. If you have it through your or your spouse's current job, you can delay Medicare enrollment without penalties. But once that coverage ends, or if you don't have it, enrolling during your initial period is the best way to avoid extra charges. In short, Creditable coverage helps you avoid late enrollment penalties by letting you postpone Medicare enrollment while maintaining similar or better coverage. Just remember to enroll as soon as your Creditable coverage ends to stay protected and avoid higher premiums.